What is up, my friends? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be testing out another one of these cleaning hacks. This time it's a car cleaning hack. Supposedly we're supposed to be able to cut this orange in half, add a little baking soda to it, to the the fruity part, rub it on our headlight, and it's supposed to clean and clear up dirty, foggy headlights that have lost visibility. So let's see if it works. Looks nice. One half for the car and one half for my mouth. So we got our freshly cut orange. We're gonna add a little baking soda to this. I like that. Okay. So it looks like that. Supposedly the acidity from the orange plus the graininess and the abrasiveness that comes with the baking soda is supposed to clean this up. So we're supposed to rub vigorously for 2 to 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. And we can kind of squeeze this a little bit, let some of the juice come out, and use that if it dries out on us. And naturally, when we finish with this, what we're gonna do is take like a water hose or a pitcher of water, and we're gonna pour it on here, rinse it off. And supposedly, it's gonna be, I don't know, great vision, I guess. So, I'm just pressing. I'm not pressing too hard. I'm not like killing myself, but I'm pressing firm enough to where the graininess and the abrasiveness from that baking soda can actually scrub. Okay, I'm gonna get a water hose. Let's rinse this off and let's see if this hack is all that it's cracked up to be. So I didn't have a water hose that reaches all the way down here to the end of my driveway where I did the video. I had to park in the shade to do this because, quite frankly, guys, it's mid-90s, it's summertime here in Arkansas, and it's hot. I had to do this in the shade. So instead of the hose, I opted for the water pitcher thing. Here's my water pitcher. Let's just rinse it off. Come on now, rinse off. Just got a couple of orange pieces here. Look at that. Some of that. Oh well, I might have to get a water hose and move my car closer. Got that dried off. Now take a look. I'm gonna let you see from back here. The headlight on the right is what I just finished cleaning. The headlight on the left is uncleaned. So, check out that guy right there. Looks like he's about to have a blast driving that thing. Okay, so as you can see, right here we got a headlight, very foggy, hazy, limited visibility. Right here, orange and baking soda, we got a clearer headlight. And I think tonight I'm going for a little drive. So on a scale of do not try, indifferent, or yay, I'm gonna have to rate this cleaning hack a yay.